Good evening and namaskar. Today we will see a very good company, BASF India Limited, BASF, with reference to its Q2 FY21 results. As always, I select companies based on their latest performance. Of course, we will also go through their past performances, but latest performances. Now, what I wish is you have to make your own assessment, analysis also. Be a long-term investor and make your analysis also, and then make your selections whatever based on your portfolio needs. Now, let us look at BASF Limited. BASF India Limited is a transnational company. It has got links with Germany, etc. It is in the Indian chemical industry. So it has got 4 segments: chemicals, performance products, functional materials and solutions, and agricultural solutions. Chemicals, performance products, functional materials and solutions, and agricultural solutions. So it manufactures and markets products like styropor, tanning agents, leather chemicals and auxiliaries, crop protection chemicals, textile chemicals, dispersions, specialty chemicals, plastics, automotive and coil coatings, catalysts, construction chemicals, polystyrene, polyurethane systems, and so on. These are used in various industries like leather, textiles, paper, paints, construction, carpets, cosmetics, plastics, pharmaceuticals, packaging, and insulation. Good demand is there. Now, the management consists of Pradeep P. Shah, Chairman and Managing Director, Narayan Krishna Mohan, Managing Director. Pradeep Shah is Chairman and Independent Director. Narayan Krishna Mohan is the Managing Director. Now let us take a look at the quarterly results. The total income is 2,396 crores in Q2. Previous quarter, that is Q1, is 1,770 crores, and year ago quarter 2,074 crores. So total income 2,396 crores is up year on year by 15.5% and quarter on quarter by 35.58%. Now, there is the profit before exceptional items and tax is 108.75 crores only. 108.75 crores. But there is an exceptional item, 423.61 crores. So if you add that, the profit before tax becomes 532.36 crores. Prior to exceptional items, it was 108.75. Exceptional item is 423.61, and profit before tax therefore becomes 532.36. Then tax comes, then net profit becomes 411 crores. Previous quarter, net profit was minus 29, that's loss. Year ago quarter, a small profit of 2.32 crores. So, year ago quarter, if you compare 2.32, 411 is very huge. Likewise, previous quarter loss of minus 29, compared to that 411 is very huge. So, year on year, quarter on quarter comparison becomes meaningless almost. Current quarter is exceptionally huge. Equity is 43.29 crores. Basic EPS on a face value of 10 rupees is 94.9. So here also previous quarter is minus 6.7 and year ago quarter is 0.5. Now 94.9. Comparisons are meaningless. So current quarter it has performed very well. Market price is around 1,492. Price earning ratio is 3.93. Volumes are not big, not low. 65,501. 52-week low is 795. 52-week high is 1,870. Low is 795. Current price is 1,492. And 52-week high is 1,870. So price earning is very low compared to current quarter EPS. But previous quarter was a loss. Year ago quarter was dismal. So price earning ratio, if you say, oh, it's very attractive, no, I don't agree. We have to watch one more quarter probably. Whether BASF will continue this trend, we'll have to see. Previous quarter was dismal, year ago quarter was dismal. Now let us also see the 5 years performance. Sales 5 years ago was 4,747 crores. Last year for March 2020, 7,551 crores. So there is improvement from 4,747 crores to 7,551 crores in sales. Good improvement in the last 5 years. Net profit has increased from a loss of minus 30 crores to next year was minus 14 crores, and still next year was a huge 240 crores profit in March 2018. Then 81 crores, and March 2020 only 18 crores, 18. March 2016, 5 years ago, minus 30. Latest quarter is 18. In between, you find 81 crores in 1 year, 246 crores in 1 year, and loss of minus 14 crores in 1 year. So topsy-turvy, zigzag. Net profit was not following any pattern. Now cash flows, if you see, operating activities 553 crores, that is March 2020 we are looking at now. Investing activities minus 22. Of course, investing activities is usually minus. Financing activities minus 463. Therefore, net cash flow is plus 67. Previous year just 4 crores. March 2020 is 67 crores. Earlier it was minus something like that. Now historical prices, if you see, current price is 1,495. 3 years before it was 1,721. Now 1,495. Then 1,721. So there is a reduction in the 3 year before price, minus 13.11. Then 2 years before the price was 1,631. Compared to that also, current price you find minus 8.31. Because 1 year before the price was 1,020 only. So compared to that 1,495, current price is 46% higher. 3 months before price was 1,400, from there 6.82% increase. So the increase has come during the last 1 year. But I think we'll have to watch a few more performances before saying BASF is good. Dividend payments 30%, something like that, it's okay. Shareholding pattern, promoters hold 73.33%, very impressive. Pledge is 0. So promoters holding is good, 73.3. Pledge is also 0. There is absolutely no problem on that. The EPS during the last 5 years, last 5th year minus 7, 4th year also minus 3.3, thereafter huge 56.9, thereafter 18.9, and March 2020 just 4.3. So topsy-turvy, that's the problem. Dividend they are giving, latest year 3 rupees, previous year 5 rupees, previous year 3 rupees, prior to that 1 rupee like that. Face value is 10 rupees. Gross profit margin 3.98 decimal. Operating profit margin 1.59, very low. Net profit margin 0.24%, very low. That is the March 2020 year. Return on net worth 1.33%, March 2020 year. Very low. ROCE 7%, reasonably good. Return on assets 0.4, very dismal. Debt equity ratio is 0.35, so debt is low, pledge is low. To that extent, it is good. Interest coverage is 1.44. Of course, there is no debt, there is no problem. So the ratios are all not so good for the previous years. 1 year was good in between, but March 2020 is okay, but not very good. So BASF has performed well in the latest quarter, no doubt. But earlier quarters and earlier years, not so very great. So you will have to wait for future performance. So latest year only net profit is reasonably good, very good. Latest is 100 and net profit is 411 after including exceptional item of 423. But prior to that 108. Even 108 crores is good because previous quarter was minus 37.8. So wait for 1 or 2 quarters more. BASF may see many companies are performing well. Previous quarter, as you know, it was a COVID quarter. So its performance we should not take. Latest quarter it has come out of COVID to some extent, so the performance is good. Next quarter we will have to watch. Next quarter, if it is good, it will become investment worth. Thank you for listening. I will come with another very good share.